Good morning, everyone. How's everybody doing? Starting the London session. Let's go. Let's go. Jorgad, good morning. All right. Seems like it's going to be somewhat another quiet London session. We have no news. The only thing we have today is Powell speaking at 10 a.m. So let's see what happened since yesterday. All right. Okay, so Nasdaq made a new high, obviously, because that's what it does every single day. New highs every single day, almost every single day. We made it to 748 during the Asia session. Now that is really something. Making all the way up there. We have an Asia low down here, which could be interesting. Sell side liquidity, Asia low. All right. So it could be going down there. It is right down at 704.25-ish area. Yeah. And on the 1 minute, it just made a break through the VWAP here. Displacement, small fair value gap. Is this going to be a continuation to drop down? Like 15 points? I don't know. So market structure shift, whatever, it can go. Sedar, hey, let's go NQ. Good morning, Bess. Good to see you. So what I think is that we can go down, visit the Asia low at 704, but it could be tricky. And this is the 1 minute, so be careful. There is a fair value gap sitting just at the VWAP. But so far, it could be a possible short. I do like the level. Looks good. We have these 5 minute candles pretty much. Well, it's not an engulfing candle, but I do like the formation. No wick down here. I like the swing low. Also on the 15 minute, there is a bullish order block. So I definitely like this low. I'm going to put a marker here. And this is going to be a bullish order block, 15 minute. So, Ivan Austin, hey, welcome to the stream. Good to see you. Welcome, welcome. Push the like button, guys. Push it. You know, that's the drill. Anyway, we could be approaching these lows here. So this would be all-time high right now, which is also an Asia high. Interesting. So yeah. On the 5 minute, there was a displacement lower with the shift. So it could be bearish. It could go down, sweep the liquidity, especially because of the order block. Actually, I'm gonna mark the order block with the rectangle here. It's not gonna be perfect, but it will do the job. Yeah, something like that. So let's see. J-Ho, good morning. You're short from 740. Oh wow, that's a good level out there. Nice pick. I don't know how you picked your levels, but you always catch the move there. That's nice. I mean, from 31, let's go, guys. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a real good one as well. Stop in profit, aiming for 702. Yeah, that's a very, very good target down there. Let's see how it goes. We just had our entry, another entry on the 1 minute chart here. If this is a sell model or whatever, here was the entry on the 1 minute fair value gap. So compare ES and NQ. ES took the high, NQ. Oh yeah, so you went for the SMT. All right, that's cool. That's awesome. That is awesome. Let's see. 704. 704 area is, or that would be the low-hanging fruit on the 5 minute chart. So we can also go down to the 15 minute order block. Yeah, we could go down there. Let's see how this plays out. Just a second. Just a second. All right. I think we see a retrace up again before. Yeah, could happen. You know, guys, how this goes. It can get tricky before it goes down there. On the 15 minute, there's also a shift lower, but don't be surprised if we go back to the 15 minute gap, you know, right around the middle. I'm sorry, midnight level. So yeah. Marcos, good morning. Good to see everybody. How are you guys doing? Let's see. So yeah, this nowadays London can be very dirty and tricky. But hopefully we won't have such a bad session as we did yesterday. I mean, look at that. Yesterday's London session, basically this. Horrible. Well, not just that, but this. On the 5 minute. It was terrible yesterday. But the only thing we have, again, is Powell speaking today. Rob, hey. You're here now. You can stop worrying. Okay. All right. Good luck to you too. Good luck to you too, Rob. Let's see. What do we have? So, we have that over there. Honestly, guys, I took a short on an evaluation account. But that's it. I took a short. My entry is way late based on this 1 minute gap. But let's see. I might try. I might close it. I'm keeping it with a tight stop. If it tries to go higher, reprice some higher levels, then I might going to just kill the trade. Yeah. I'm still a little sleepy. Let's go. Lots of good morning. You ought to get. Kevin, good morning, good afternoon. Mary, good morning. My entry was late. My entry was based on the 1 minute gap 1925. So I entered down there. It's a late entry. I'm going to close it at 26, or if it gets above 26, 27. For now, I'm just hoping for a drop. So let me show you my entry. It's only an evaluation account that I would like to pass as soon as possible. Which one is? I'm going to show you just a second. I don't even have a stop loss on it yet. Here. One mini, guys. That's why I'm going to keep it tight. Yeah. I'm going to keep it tight, but it's just 1 mini. So not the end of the world. And this is just an evaluation. So just jumped in. I don't know really why. I would not do this with a funded account, but you know, guys, I go crazy on evaluation accounts sometimes. Otherwise, yeah. That's that. Greetings, Don Tutton. Marcus going long at 21. Oh, that's not good. I mean, for me. Yesterday was the perfect example of seek and destroy. Definitely. Yeah. I didn't trade. The only thing I did yesterday, I was trading in the power hour on my funded accounts, and I made about 150 bucks on one of my funded accounts, and that's all I did. Hey, wet milled. Good to see you. How you doing? No, it's just Jeho. It's just an evaluation account. I mean, I'm definitely gonna stay with micros. I'm just fooling around with this account. I dedicated to go crazy. On the rest of the accounts, I'm not doing this kind of crazy stuff. There is one account I dedicated to go wild. That's it. Spy Girl, greetings. Ivan should be traded more aggressive. Yeah. Yeah. So I dedicated one evaluation account to go crazy. Yesterday I made $2,000 on this evaluation, so it's at 52K right now. And if I lose this one, I'm gonna lose about 200 something dollars. But you know, I made 2K yesterday by going crazy. So I'm gonna give back 200 or 300 this session if I have to. I don't care really. And another evaluation, I made 2K yesterday, but I blow one evaluation yesterday too. So let's talk about losses. I blow one evaluation as well. I'm gonna go. So don't lose it. All right. Yeah. So here it is. I don't even know if I'm gonna keep this trade open all the way. I might even just close it manually. I was scalping on this account. We agreed yesterday that scalping is not the future. I know, and definitely not for me. So my entry is way off. Don't worry, guys. This is not my official entry, and I would not take this trade on any of my funded accounts. And yesterday, by the way, there was a very good opportunity on the 5-minute. Just showing you. I'm going to do a recap today about that. So yesterday on the 5-minute chart, there was a perfect entry on Nasdaq. Look at that. I'm going to show you just real quick. So there was displacement. It was at 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time on the 5-minute. Displacement lower with a structure shift. OTE and fair value gap appeared in this area. Short a little bit above the 50% level. Stop was almost taken out. Almost. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Boom. There you go. Beautiful trade on the 5-minute yesterday in the PM session. But yeah, it was, yesterday was absolutely like really crazy. I'm actually thinking to close out this trade. I don't really like this. Looking for long? Yeah. I was just looking to take out this low here, but holding a short. Yeah, you have a free trade, so no stop loss 709. I'm the only one. Yet you're the only one, Marcos, but I think maybe some others will follow soon. Maybe I will follow you as well. I'm in a small drawdown. Still don't know if I should kill this or not. The range is not good. It's not on my 5-minute usual entry model. It's absolutely not a good trade. It's not a good entry on my end. So good morning, Marco. Oh, look at that. It's going higher. I might have to kill it. I don't want to lose my profits. Okay, I killed it. I just killed the trade. Lost about 50 bucks. Still over 52K. So it was at $52,075. Now it's at $52,026. I killed the trade. You see here, nothing on. No, I just don't like this area. This could be tricky. This could squeeze out some shorts. Although there was an entry here on the 1-minute, I just don't feel it. So I just don't feel it. And now it goes down. As it should. Hey, FX and Trophy. I was short, but only for a scalp on an evaluation account that I was messing around yesterday, and I pushed it to 52K. And yeah, otherwise I do not have a valid entry on this chart, nothing. But I'm still hoping, I mean, I'm not hoping, but because I killed the trade, but I think the Asia low is still a good target. That doesn't mean that NQ is not going to trick everyone right now and one more squeeze to the upside. I'm just waiting to see how it will react here. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna wait as well. I mean, it could drop, obviously, but you know, could be the drop. The thing is that even if we have good price action, there's obviously not too many possibilities, not too many entries in the London sessions to go with. So, and we don't have any news as well. Nothing. Nothing in the morning. Do we have anything? I mean, we only have Powell, but tomorrow, not even tomorrow. Tomorrow, Powell again. So so that's it. I was trying to go for a short scalp, and then I closed the trade. FX and Trophy. There was a 1 minute fair value gap here that was holding so far. Now it seems like it's, I don't know, it's still holding, and I was looking for the Asia low, but I decided to kill the trade. It was just on one evaluation account I was fooling around with yesterday. But Naomi, good morning. Good to see you. Online safety. Hey, question. After 20 Apex disconnects, I need to find a more. I like AliTrader firm. AliTrader is solid. They're pretty much good. I mean, haven't really heard anything bad about them. I know I heard about the disconnection issues. I had them as well. Unfortunate. I don't know what to do, but AliTrader funding is pretty much safe. Also, I mean, BuleNoX is a good one as well. If you're looking for end of day trailing, they do have that with the option 2s. So I prefer short myself. Maybe it's 720 down to see. Yeah, I do like the area down there at 704. That's why I was thinking that it could go down there. New version of Quant Tower should have resolved the issues. Oh, really? There you go. Thank you for the info, Jan. All right, that's good to know. So, new version of Quant Tower. I know that not right now, but a few weeks ago, Apex said, also Quant Tower put it on their website, that make sure to always use the newest version of Quant Tower. I don't know. could be something. I mean, that has to do something with the connection. I don't know. Yeah, that's a good info. Visible ID. Hey, algorithmic disconnects on Quant Tower only or do they also affect Ninja? I haven't really heard too many complaints about NinjaTrader disconnecting recently, but what Jan just said, that could be something to look into, to maybe update Quant Tower to the newest version, even if it's a beta version, but update it to the latest one, and you know, maybe, and that's a big maybe, and a big if, or big maybe, it can resolve the connection issues. Make sure to update it. Last time, for a little while, it worked. I don't know. Now look at that. It's almost like a bullish shift here on the 1 minute. It actually is. Look at that. I'm glad I killed the trade. So on the 1 minute, we have a bullish shift. Wonder where it goes. There is a volume imbalance at 27. There should be an up close candle above 28. And if it goes up there, it can even go to 733 from that point. $24.2. The problem is the range is very small here. Oh, Sierra charts. There you go. That's good to know. That's good to know. Thank you, Jan. All right. Anyone can compare Moti Wave with Quantower? Honestly, I haven't even heard about that before. But interesting. Interesting name. Oh, by the way, we haven't talked about gold a bit. There's, well, gold has a bearish order block up there on the 1 hour. So let's keep that in mind. Otherwise, we have an Asia low. Let's see if it wants to take it out. Asia low and bearish order block 1 hour. Okay, that's gold, but so far nothing here. Look at that. Motivave is way better than Quantower. I'm gonna check that. Actually, I'm gonna write it down. Motivave. Does it have copy trading option or something? I'm gonna look into that. That's a good info. The biggest difference in Quantower can copy trade between has more futures. Okay. Over charts. Wow, so many. More platforms. All right. You can check those out. Let me open the window, guys, because it's I need some fresh air. Nice. All right, so if it's better, I'm gonna look into it. I'm trying to figure out where could be the draw on liquidity here. Is it still down there? Or is it going to go up back to the midnight level to reprice some of this gap? Still wondering. I'm still wondering. I wonder why. I wonder how. Okay, so this level is, I mean, the 1 minute gap turned into a bit of a support, and now it's not. Now it seems like we might be breaking through that level again. Could be going down to the 704s. Are we? Could be. Could be. Let's see. I'm really just trying to decide where can this go? Where is the draw? But so far, obviously we're below the VWAP for, I mean, at this second. We shifted lower again. This gap turned into somewhat resistance again on the 1 minute. A little bit crazy, but you know. Good morning, Nikos. Good to see you. Justin Wright. Hey. Oh yeah, it's for Windows only. Okay. It's so sad, like they won't find a way to have some kind of a simple conversion for all these software to be able to have it being able to use it to on Mac or multiple platforms. By the way, anybody's using a Linux computer nowadays? I have a friend who is using a Linux computer. And it actually, I mean, he says it's actually very good because it's the best operating system. That's what he says, Linux, which is super complicated compared to Windows. That's all I know. But as far as I saw the desktop and everything, it seems user friendly. But there's so many things that you have to set up. I think it's super complicated. Ubuntu, there you go. Okay. And so he told me that actually Linux is the most safest and the most reliable operating system. I have no idea. I mean, I know what Linux is, but you know, many years ago, I tried to install a Linux on my computer. I failed. So I couldn't set up my GPU card and stuff like that. Couldn't install the drivers. It was so complicated. I said, all right, I can't do this. I had to install Windows again. Hey, Simeon. Good morning. I had to invest in Win Hardware as well. After months of jumping through platforms, I think finally found everything I need in. Oh, nice, Robert. Espresso and Dolce Vita. And nice cars. Italians make very nice, beautiful cars. And not just Ferraris. I mean, Italians made so many good cars in the past decades. You know, beautiful cars. We produce beautiful women too. Oh, that is true. That is true. I give you that. I'm gonna name you one FX and Trophy. Drum roll. I'm gonna name you one that don't broke often. I had a 1997 Fiat Bravo. 1997 Fiat Bravo when I was much younger. That was my second car actually. I bought it from my first salary. Not my first salary, but I bought it for a loan. It was a Fiat Bravo back in the days. It was actually the best car named by some magazine. It was the best car in the world in 1997 or 1998. Anyway, it had no issue. And guess what? We still have that car. my mother, she has the car back in her home, a 1997 Fiat Bravo. It's still in the garage. It's still running. No engine issues. Of course, it has some minor issues because of the age, but the engine is perfect. The gearbox is perfect. Everything is great. Just the usual things, you know, broke down, like brakes and stuff like that. You know, of course, the chassis having issues by this age, but hey, it's still running perfect. No, never let me down, that car. And I was killing that car when I was younger. I was killing that vehicle. So I had him Landia Dedra. Wow, Lancia. Yeah, Landia. Lancia Delta. I mean, Integrale. Jesus, that is actually that's the street version of they used in rallies, right? Superb engine. In terms of repairs problems, I mean, yeah, they use them in rally races. I know that car, and many people liked it because it was at least that's what they were telling back in the days, like the best driving experience. But I did hear that it had some issues that had to be always fixed, but when it was working fine, it was made for the driver. I had to carry a huge box of tools. Really, you did. Hey, who cares? When I would be owning a Lancia Delta Integrale, I don't mind to have a bunch of tools in the trunk. No issue, no problem. No problem. No problem. Just to make an easy fix, I don't care. I agree with espresso and women. Yeah. Oh. Oh, yeah. And their beaches. Yeah. Anyway, while we're waiting, I'm just waiting for this to go lower again. I don't know if it will. I'm waiting for a drop. This could possibly happen here. So let's go. Oh, by the way, guys, I almost forgot to say, quite a surprise. I never would have thought, but Buleanox extended the 90% sale until tonight. So the 90% is still on tonight until the end of the PM session, New York, at least. Sorry, maybe later, sorry. 11:59 PM Eastern Standard Time. It's extended. Just saying. And I think Apex has the sale until tomorrow as well. I don't even know. $40 for the big accounts and 80% off of everything. Look at that. This one is still, I mean, the 1 minute and VWAP, I mean, this fair value gap was still holding price down under the VWAP, which I don't trade. It's just, I'm just noticing it. Still under, still looking this sell side here as Asia low, which is very close. It's like 14 points. So let's see. Now it's coming back. Maybe the London Open will give us something, some volume, but for now there's really not much going. Let's check on ES. Yeah, ES still also has the same low right there. Quick check on gold. Yeah, gold is actually looking to go down too. That's interesting. On the 5 minute, there was well, not a perfect, but almost a good entry for a continuation to go short. Yesterday, gold almost took out this NFP candle from Friday. Look at that, boom. Went down in the AM session, then got back up there. Was interesting to watch. Anyway, let's get back to NQ. Let's wait for it. Estonia. I wonder why, I wonder. Just sideways action for now. Just sideways action. It's really hard to tell what's gonna happen. GC look like a nice liquidity grab on the 50-minute. Yeah, could be. I mean, look at this. 3-minute to close of the candle. Yeah, that's true. So this is the 15-minute. Excuse me. And swept some lows here. Could it go back up there? It could. We have an unbalanced price range up at 72.7, or it can continue. This is the 5-minute on gold. We had the fair value gap here, which is still holding, and we could have another fair value gap here. Market structure shift to continue lower. Let me bearish market structure shift, and we have another bearish market structure shift. Come on, another shift here. So could this be a continuation lower? I don't know, but looks like it might want to go for the Asia low. We are below the VWAP here as well. Not that it really matters right now, but look at that. It got rejected, and this is the 5-minute again. So went lower, got rejected on this gap. One more displacement. Seems like at this second, at this moment, that it might want to go lower to take out this Asia low. So maybe I should have taken this entry. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. But seems like we're gonna have another gap here. If someone would enter here, the take profit would be down there. 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio. It could still work out. You know, why not? Could still be good for a possible short. Look at that. It's going back. Where was that level anyway? The high of that candle was 70.4. Okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Looks like gold just wants to continue lower. I entered the short on the flip on the 15-minute. Liquidity grab. Nice. Nice, nice. Let's go. Let's go, Mario. Closing my short here for nice profits. Congratulations, Jho. Gonna get some sleep. All right. Hey, Jho, congrats on the profits there. Have a good sleep. Have a good sleep. And, you know, see you in the New York session. NQ is still in this range. Hard to tell if we're really gonna go down for that sell side right now or for that order block. Could be just a fake move here. Let's see what happens. I think I'm gonna fix another drink for myself, and I'll be back in a minute. Let's wait for the London Open because there's really nothing else right now. And yeah, wait for the Open. Looks like NQ wants to go higher. All right, I'll be right back in 2 minutes. I'll fix a drink. Don't go away. Push the like, subscribe. You know. Slim Trader, hey there. Sorry, I was out in the kitchen as well, doing some phone calls too. Good morning, Greg. Good morning, Peter. Good morning. Does anyone know if I passed an Apex about 5 hours ago? Like get a P activation email before New York Open? That's a good question. 5 hours ago, I think you will get it by tomorrow because it passed Eastern Standard Time. That's what I think. After, yeah. Isham, good morning. So you're mostly going to get it after, I think. But, you know. Right, gold is up there in the 5-minute gap. It's up there. What else do we have? NQ is still going sideways. We're having the London Open in 40 seconds. Yeah, Peter, I thought so, but I think you're gonna have to wait until tomorrow for the email, unfortunately. Let's see what is going on here. We have the New York London Open right now. So let's see how NQ is gonna go. Will it try to go down again once more? Obviously it broke higher. Making the move down again. Let's see. Is that going to be the draw on liquidity, or is just going to squeeze everybody higher? On the 1 minute, there was a structure shift right here at the open. Back below the VWAP again. VWAP. So I took a short again at 22. Looking for 705 ish. I'm gonna keep it tight. If it's not going, then obviously I'm not gonna hold it. Where's my trade? Here it is. But I'm only risking like 4 points. So I want to see that swing low. But, you know, whatever. Whatever. Right off the London Open, the biggest sell. The biggest sell of how surprising. I don't know what could have triggered this. It could be just a fake move to the downside. I was thinking if we could, yeah, that's it. If we could close below these previous lows, I would move my stop. This is a scalping technique. So this is not my usual entry model. I'm only doing this on an evaluation because, as you guys can see, I'm doing it with 1 mini. So I might going to put it to break even. There you go. It's at break even. If it takes me out, then it takes me out. I just want it to run to the 705. If it's not going to, then it's not going to. It's not the end of the world. Now it's a free trade, at least. So it's a free trade. Yesterday I was up 300 and ended up minus 600. Just needed 100. Oh, that hurts. Feeling so low. Hey, don't feel low about that. You still have the account. You still have everything. So, Zero Day J. Hey, what's up? Huge applause for the man of the hour. Zero Day J, what's going on? Good to see you. Trading drawdown is catching up. Yeah, then just size down to micros, man. You can survive that. Good day turned red. Sorry, real bad. PTSD is real. That happens to everybody, I guess. I mean, I hope you didn't do anything crazy there. Zero Day J. I know you're pushing very good your accounts. I saw the other day you having more PA accounts, so that's awesome. That's great, man. I trade micros for experimenting and minis for the real thing. Okay. Nice online safety. So this is a free trade. I can't really take partials, but you know, sometimes after some bad days, I don't pull the trigger. Okay. It says that normally would because, yeah, I'm still feeling the pain. Oh, yeah. Tell me about it. The pain is real. The pain is real, man. That is real. But, you know, also the pain is going to teach us for a lot of lessons and should be making us a better trader eventually. So embrace the pain. But still, yeah, it will wear off. Yeah, it will. We all learn from mistakes, and that's why trading, I think, is going to be a forever learning curve. You know, it will never stop. Look at this crazy trade, guys. I think it's gonna go up and take me out because there's a fair value gap, obviously. Damn it. I was hoping for this one. But if I move my stop right now, it wicked into the gap. But if I move my stop up there, then it's definitely gonna go up there and take me out with a full stop. So I'm just gonna leave it and I don't care. It's just an evaluation account, so. Just when you think you have it all figured out. Oh yeah, that's why they say, you know, oh yeah, hey dude, don't feel sorry. I'm actually very glad you dropped by, and I definitely feel you on that one. The market, there's a saying like the market humbles everyone, even the best of the best traders. So that's how this business goes. And you know, all we can do is move to the next one. Yeah, I mean, I think at your time you're in Vegas. What's the time in Vegas right now? Let me check it. Oh, it's midnight, past midnight. Okay. Retracement of opening move, but you could have had easy 10 points. Yeah, that's why I said this is going to be a scalp trade, but I think I wanted to go for the home run here for these lows at Asia low, and it is what it is. But on the 5-minute, I had no entry. Well, we could have an entry. Structure shift. This candle, if it closes like this, we're going to have a fair value gap up there. So entry was good, but your profit target was too high. Yeah, Jan, I think you're right. Marcos is still in. Let's go, Marcos. Yeah, unfortunately, because this could turn out to be a 5-minute gap, there's a very high chance that price is gonna wick higher to reprice it. So I don't care. I mean, it's too late now to do anything. I'm just gonna leave it be and look for the next one. Yeah, almost out from this trade, but at least it's break even. Anyone who knows when is fire drill? Good question, Ruff. Good question. There you go. I'm out. Random Thursdays. Random Tuesdays. Yeah. And look at that. It takes me out and boom. Might go down again. You can't make this up. This is real. This is the real deal. Could go down now. Once more. It was close. And I gave it back to the market again. But it was a nice sell-off. I really wanted to take it. You're long on micro on Nasdaq. All right. Yeah, I'm looking for my classic entry. Despite this thing just happened, I don't have an entry. So this was not my classic entry model or whatever. I was just trying to scalp, but I'm still looking for something here. Yeah, VWAP the ultimate enemy. Anything being stopped at? No, not really. Not really, because I know that there's going to be a better setup next time. This happens to me, then I will go on tilt. No, I don't feel. I mean, I was going on tilt many times. Pay the trader. Many times on situations like this, but all you have to remember is that there's always going to be a next setup. You have to remember this. That always going to be a next setup. There's always going to be the next A+ setup. So don't forget it. And if something like this happens, takes you out at break even and whatever, you have to remind yourself that there's so many trillions of setups coming, A+ setups. You just have to take the next one and take the next one and take the next one if you see your opportunity. Now I know it's super simple to say, and it's a completely different universe to be in the trade and experience it, but I'm partially talking from experience because I did that too, especially on occasions like this. Took me out, went to the target, and I was going nuts. I was going crazy. So Yannick, hey there. Hello, Coach Dakota. Slow market top step. Oh, there you go. There you go. Love from India. Thank you. The Trade Star. I want to learn price action. Nice. Then join the stream. Subscribe. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a cash giveaway this week. So the advantage of micros, the losses don't feel so high. Definitely, Jan Hammer. Yeah. Yeah. That. Yeah, that's true. Zero DJ. Yeah. So you have to know what you're looking for, and depends on the trading style, but yeah, definitely lower gains with micros. Right now I'm gonna actually show you guys, because yesterday I didn't do my recap on the funded accounts for you guys. So I'm trading these with micros, but here's a funded account at Buleanox. I have 2,479. Yesterday I made 150 bucks. Now this account I'm trading with micros, and this I trade for 37 days now. Calendar days, not business days. So I'm trading this account for over a month now. Almost 6 weeks. No, 5 weeks. Anyway. 5 weeks. 5 weeks into this account, and 90% micros, and the one that I had with mini was actually, I made about $200 or $300 with minis from this profit, but I can break it down in a video next time. And yeah, it took me like 5 weeks to get to this point, so it's really slow. It's very slow process. And the other one, which is also at Buleanox, same. I'm working on this for 5 weeks now. It still has a lot to go to reach the payout threshold. So yeah. And there's another one at Apex, up 720 only. This is almost like a new one. I'm working on this one since 2 weeks, and I only got 700 bucks on it. So that's the disadvantage of going with micros. It's a slow process. It definitely is. And my TOPSTEP account, I haven't even touched it. I mean, yesterday I was up 1,400, and I went back down to 1,279. I don't know. Just don't feel it. But this account was up 2,500. So, and as you can see, it's not in the best shape right now. Sorry. Yeah. So rebuy, resell. Yeah, you trade silver. I don't trade silver. Yeah, it's close, but as I said, this is a slow process for me because I trade micros most of the time. You also have the account longer than I've been able to keep them most on PAs. So yeah, but you know, it's everybody. There's, as they say, there's a million ways to skin a cat. So everybody has a different trading style, and I respect everyone. You know, as long as you make your profits, minis, 10 minis, micros, whatever, as long as you're making it, at the end, if you make money with it, who cares? I mean, the goal is to make those profits, right? So thank you, Robert. Thank you. So I know I'm a slow trader. I know I get criticized very often that oh, but you're just, you know, going with micros. But hey, I can show you that this account, I kept it for more than a month, and I'm getting closer to payout and only trading with micros. And I'm gonna do a video about that maybe when I get to those payouts. That yes, hopefully, I mean, it's gonna take me for maybe 8 weeks to get to the first payout. But listen, if I get to the payout threshold, then for the second payout, I don't have to rebuild all this. It should not take me another 8 weeks. I should be able to get the next payout in about 3 to 4 weeks. So that means I should be able to get one payout per one account each month. And I'm trying to build up 4, 5 and more accounts with micros, so I can rotate them. If I want to get a payout from one account, I just, you know, apply for a payout, put it away, continue to trade on the next account, and so on and so forth. Just rotate them. And that's how I'm thinking to do it. I know it's slow, but when I reach the threshold, it should be picking up some phase if I don't do anything crazy. If I don't go on full tilt or whatever, because that could go down very badly if I do that. So anyway, I have to be aware of that situation. Yeah, exactly, 0 day J. Just get to the payout. You know, everybody trades differently, and I respect that. And and that's it. Just get the money, get your money back, you know, and move on to the next payout. Each on their own. Yeah, trade the plan. Just trade your plan. Exactly. I also have a plan. Everybody has a plan, and that's how you should do it. And this is one of the beauties of day trading, by the way, because there are literally thousands of ways to day trade. Like so many versions, so many ways to do it, so many, like almost unlimited ways to day trade. Carve out your system, carve out your entry model, and if you have enough data, experience from backtesting, whatever, you know, by the way, backtesting is not going to make you a better trader. I always say that, but it's very good for collecting data for your entry model. But, you know, collect information, forward test, execute your entry. And I remember Zero Day J said it a few times in his stream that I like that, what he said. I'm sorry, I'm not good in English because it's not my native language, but he said, like, I'm not practicing 10,000 kicks, 10,000 different kicks for one. I'm not doing 10,000 different kicks for one time. I'm having one kick and I'm doing it 10,000 times all over. And I like that. So I do the same. I'm going to execute my entry model on my funded accounts strictly on the same entry model, and I'm going to practice the same kick 10,000 times, and that's going to be my trading plan. That's it. That's it. Shorty is aiming for 693. You're on it. All right. You know, I'm in the same boat with FX and Profit. That means something because I'm looking for something here, but actually I just don't have anything. Bruce Lee said it first. Okay. Yeah. I think yeah. He did not fear the man who practiced 10,000 kicks in one time, but he did fear the man who practiced one kick 10,000 times. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's what I meant to say. Thanks for thanks for that. So I heard it, by the way, before in my life. This phrase, I heard it many years ago. But when you said it, I said, yeah, that is exactly what I'm trying to do here. So that's it. One kick 10,000 times. And that's it. You don't need to learn and practice 10,000 kicks. I do love that very much. Okay, what is going on? I was trading hindsight, by the way, guys, without letting you guys know. I don't know why I did that, but I did not call it out, but I'm in a short on gold. I almost hit my TP. Tom is trading hindsight. He's a scammer. Tom is a scammer because he's trading hindsight. Yeah, it's true. I'm trading hindsight, and it's just taking my TP right now, almost. Or maybe. Yeah, there you go. TP taken on gold. I was in this trade. Actually, I showed this to you guys. I just didn't tell you guys that I'm in this trade. So I took this one. But only on a MyFundedFutures evaluation account, so I'm not going to go overboard with it. But only on micros again. Again, Tom is only trading on micros. He's such a loser. Tom is trading on hindsight. He's a scammer. He's a loser, just only taking micros. He's never gonna make it. Oh, he's not closing the position down. Oh, he's an idiot. Yeah, I know. He's a fake. He's a phony. He's not even doing what he says. He's not closing down the trades. He let it go to drawdown. Yeah. Lots of you too? You're just out? All right. Nice. I think I can show you the trade. Where was it? Visual trades. I entered with 5 or 6 micros. Anyway, this was the trade on gold right now. So it was a good one, but the 5-minute fair value gap was my entry here. So that's it. That's the kick I'm practicing 10,000 times. This is the kick. Boom. Market structure shift here and here. Displacement, fair value gap, draw on liquidity, retracement, repricing, boom. That's it. That's the kick. And that's it. Várjál, kamera. Sorry guys, that was just the missus was asking me a favor. I have to take the car to the car mechanic, to the service. Anyway. Yeah. No, she was just asking me to take the car to the shop because there's a slight issue with the brakes, so obviously needs to be fixed. And the guy from the shop just called us on the phone about to fix a date for the car, and that's it. Anyway, the 50k accounts should be limited to 5 micros, but then the pass rate would be through the roof. Yeah, could be. Yeah, that would be through the roof. I'm gonna take the first shift with baby. Nice, 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 nice. Then I'll take her down to the PC with me just before New York Open. That is awesome, man. How is the baby so far? I think you guys have all the happiness in the world, right? Oh, look at gold. Wow. Look at that. That is awesome, man. That is awesome. Look at NQ. It's just going higher again. She got COVID. Oh. She's. Oh, there you go. There you go. Still long. Online safety. It's still holding the long position. Oh, hey. Donald, you were just subscribed. Thank you so much for joining the channel. Welcome. Yannick says tries to go short at Asia High. That's also a good plan. All right. I'm also checking the 5-minute if I see anything, displacement or whatsoever. But so far nothing. No entry. No entry. Marcus is still long. All right. Marcus, you are killing it again. Let's go. I'm still waiting. Actually, this was a good one on gold, but it feels like NQ might want to go for those highs again. Sorry, Tom. I was only going long. Oh yeah, I know you said it. Yeah. I should be going back into the fair value gap here, and maybe at least try to go over the 40s. You were the only one, yeah. You warned everyone. You warned everyone, I know. Let's see. Above the VWAP, obviously there's a good chance we go to the 40s right now. I don't have an entry. I'm still looking for something, but there's just nothing I could go with at this point. Let's go. Should be going to the 40s then, I think. But we'll see. Apex keeps losing connection. I don't know why. There you go. Robert is long with Marcus since what? 88. What? All right. 688. Diamond hands there. Diamond hands. Let's see what goes on. All right, back in the 5-minute. Nothing special here. Just a consolidation. But I agree that it can definitely go higher. Surprised that it didn't really went for the Asia lows. So that was surprising to me, but anyway. Let's see if Marcus is going to be right. I think he will. He always kills it. But yeah, I agree that we could be going way above here. I mean, above the 33, there's a swing here. Should be going for it. What's the high here? 33.50. Going above. Spiral closed the long at 731. I know there is more on the table, but happy, yeah, definitely, you know, make the profit, take the profit. That's a good decision. Nice, good one. Make the profit, take the profit. Gold is still down there. Yeah, it looks obvious that it wants to break above that 33 level pretty soon. I mean, there's definitely liquidity up there. So it did. And it's going higher. It's going higher. Marcus has the target at 44. Nice. That's a good level. 47. Could be making new all-time highs. This one is just going higher and higher. No stopping on Nasdaq. You might see, I wouldn't even be surprised at 21K, guys. I mean, the way this thing goes, I can see that everyone, every day, even me, I try to short it, and it's just not giving in. It's just not doing it. This bullish trend could hold on all the way until September, October, who knows, on the dailies. And Apex keeps losing connection again. Gold made a low there. Look at NQ. Wow. Next target should be in the 40s. There you go. Should be in the 40s. Bassett, hey. What's Asia session time? Well, I always prefer to check the Asia session from, I mean, not exactly from 6 p.m. Eastern Standard, but I think it's from 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, somewhere around there. So all-time high and Asia session high and previous day high is up there. Usually you can look for it after 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. But if it makes a high before that, for example at 7 p.m., I would prefer that as a significant high. But, you know, I know precisely where it's heading. Good morning, Alicia. No one else does. As long as you're making profits, that's all that matters. Nice going there. Nice going, nice going. Let's see. Let's go. Take a little long. Okay. I was waiting a short play or confirmation. This is still going up. It looks like the momentum is definitely bullish. We have some relative equal highs up here on the 1 minute, so that's definitely drawing some attention. So yeah. Could be. It didn't even come close. Nice. I know Marcus is calling these levels very good lately. Very good. It's easier to block trolls and children. I might not be able to wait for the end of the kill zone in London because I have to take the car to the shop. So but I'll be here and I'll be watching. We're still in the silver bullet hour. 5 more points to go up. I think it will do it. It should. There you go. Is going. I don't usually wait, just widen my stop. That's why I have few stop loss. Oh, not a recommendation. But hey, you have diamond hands. We all know that. Yeah. So you're the one opening gates to yeah, he's doing it. Look at gold. It's still melting like ice cream. Going down. Next sell side liquidity should be down there. I'm not jumping in, but there you go. Sell side liquidity. Should be taking out that high. Might go to 740. If it goes to 740, it should take out the 742. You entered with 1 mini, all right. Let's go. Don't forget it, guys. I'm doing the commercial now. Today, BuleNox extended the 90% sale on their option 1 accounts until tonight, 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. So it's still 90% off. If you want to stack up a few accounts, you can do that. Option 1 accounts goes with TOMSABO 1, option 2 accounts with TOMSABO 2, but the discount is only for option 1 accounts. So that's the cheapest upfront cost. Otherwise, if you would like to support the stream, I would greatly appreciate it. Apex still has the sale for the big accounts, $40 for the big ones, otherwise 80% down. And Take Profit Trader, no activation fee, obviously, and no activation fee on MyFundedFutures new starter account, $76 with no activation fee. That's the cheapest one in the market right now if you use the code. So there you go. TOPSTEP additional 20% if you click on the link. Thank you, everybody. This was the commercial. I'm shilling prop firms. All right. You're out 740. That's your final TP, or you're already out? You're out. Okay, 740. Nice. To the tick. Did it go to 740? Oh, the high was 39.75. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Very good job there, Marcus. Very good job. Very good job. You're welcome, you're welcome. You are really calling the levels out. Yeah, we'll see what Powell is gonna do. Anyway, guys, unfortunately, I have to cut the stream here because I have to take the car to the shop. I just received the message. So this is a short stream right now. Sorry for that. I'll be back in the New York session. And thank you very much for being here and for the support. We had some crazy scalp on Nasdaq, but the gold trade worked out in hindsight, of course. Anyway, it was a good session. Thank you everybody for joining. And again, see you guys in New York session. Have a good night, morning, evening. Be safe, and thanks again for the support. Cheers, everybody.